And today, we're going to talk about the Rockler milling table. As you will see, this small table is very convenient. If you have a small workshop, it can be placed wherever you want. And in the box, you'll find a small fence, a table, hardware, an acrylic insert to place on your router, and a high visibility spindle guard. What's great about this table is that the insert plate is already pre-drilled for most standard routers. So all you have to do now is find the location for your router and attach it to the plate. Once that's done, we move on to the fence to add the high visibility spindle guard using the provided screws. To slide the fence on the table, Rockler also provides long screws that can be attached on both sides of the fence, which offers great mobility. Place the insert in the top to see if it fits. Next, remove it to turn the table and insert the adjustment screws. To continue, carefully place the plate back onto the router. This step is crucial to ensure everything is aligned properly. Once the plate is securely positioned, take a moment to verify that everything is functioning as expected. If adjustments are necessary, locate the clamping knobs at the rear of the fence. These knobs are important if you intend to connect your vacuum cleaner to the system. The vacuum cleaner connection is particularly beneficial for keeping your workspace clean by efficiently removing dust and debris generated during the routing process. Ensure the knobs are tightened properly to secure the connection and guarantee optimal performance. Now, put your fence back on the table and you're ready to start using it.